After service video. This is the third Harvard 420M, which has come from Trucking and Farming. Another superb working set. You get the bigger speaker, you get the higher end chassis with the extra receiver and the better filter, like you get on the Rotel 240 and York 863, but you don't have all the daft knobs. Full 4-watt output, incredible receiver at 0.23 microvolts. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that, I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that, let me know when you're ready.
Subject to finding the right socket. And there we are.
Roger that, we go.
Roger.
Right, passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio, we've got a sound control.
Roger that, so I'm heading up the lane towards the
Treble, bassy, middle,
and doggy daycare.
treble. Roger on that. That's fine, thank you.
Bit of noise on your signal, are you plugged into the aerial?
You've got no aerial on that car.
Plug the aerial on. Right, on the move again.
That's better.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that. Nowadays you can look on a government website to see what the petrol price is at every petrol station in the UK.
Yep, Roger, I discovered that the other day. It's fuel-finder.uk.
Yeah, that's put an end to our little game.
Roger. Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. From Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Harvard 420M, Cybernet 134 upper tier chassis version, 1981, doing a full 4-watt output. I'm on a standard replacer micro.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
She's on it.
crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilford at level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. Nice and loud and clear, and I'm on the power 420M, doing a full force output and drawing 1.25 amps. We're going to go to low power set for 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power. Ready now doing 400 milliwatts and drawing 530 milliamps. Go back to full power. And there we are, back on full power. Over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power. Band's a bit noisy tonight, so a bit noisy on low power, but still legible.
Roger on that, and off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 136.9 and 144.7. Right, absolutely fine, thank you very much.
Roger that, 10-10.
you got you going over Rorsby, Rorsby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me at that end, please, over?
Yep, 136.9 and 145.7.
Right, well, that's absolutely fine. Thank you very much.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, that worked a treat. We're going to go to our base station. Hello, somebody else out there. I'll just get the mic out of the bag. And we'll use this as the second one to our base station. So he's got the Harvard, goodness me, that smells of cigarettes. Got the Harvard original microphone there, which is the same coffin shape as the standard replacement we're using, but nevertheless we'll have a different insert. And it is the real thing. It says Japan on the back, it's not just a reproduction.
Tango 21 testing the Harvard 420M into our Midland 76900 base station. Both sets use exactly the same chassis. And here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on high power. As a home test, we go for low power. There we are on low power. Back to full power. There we are. Now we'll test it with the factory original. Tango 21 testing the Harvard 420M with the factory original microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2. I'll pop it on low power. There we are on low power. We go back to full power. There we are back on full power. Tomorrow, as far as I'm aware, we've got a Eurosonic ES200 or ES220 handheld. So, thank you for watching the Harvard 420M Cybernet 134 set from 1981.